My next test is going to be very similar to the one that I just wrote. The first test said, let's just make sure that one person is able to enter. I think that our next test will assert that we are able to enter multiple accounts, and each of those addresses will be stored inside the players' array for the second test. I'm going to copy the entire block and then paste it underneath the existing one and modify it by saying that it allows multiple users' accounts. All right, so here goes. Here, and then this one. Okay, and let's see. So I'm going to say allows multiple accounts. So allows multiple accounts to enter. And so here, so we do want to ensure that we attempt to update the accounts that is used to enter on these additional calls. So on this second one down, I'm going to use the accounts at 1. And then on the third one down, I'm going to use the accounts at 2. And now at the bottom, I should be able to verify by making the assertion that there are 3 players inside the players' array, or 3 additional addresses. And so this one here, I'll just do this. So 1 should be equal to 1, and accounts at 2 should be equal to accounts at 2. And so now I'm saying that accounts equal to 1 and 2 should be equal to 1 and 2. All right, so I'm going to save this, run my test, npm run test. It's running the test and getting an error. So 2 passing and failing allows multiple accounts to enter 61. Oh, that, forgot this one. Should be 3 players now. So save that, head back, run this test again. All right, and so now we have 3 passing. So what happened here, this is now for multiple users, a total of 3 users I have here. But when I said assert equal, it had 1 user out of the array instead of 3 users. So once I corrected that, my my test is passing. So you might be a bit curious why exactly we essentially are duplicating the same test over and over again. We have allow up here, allow one account to enter, and then we have allow multiple accounts to enter. So to be honest, if one fails, it's not necessarily a case that the other is going to fail as well. So we could go into some crazy situation where we accidentally are only storing the latest account to enter into the lottery. So by making sure that we have a test for checking both one account and multiple, we can catch that very off chance case where we are accidentally only storing the latest entrant into the array. So I know it sounds like a long shot, but it's a test worth having. So remember, these contracts are storing money, and we want to ensure that we're always handling them as securely as possible. All right, so let me see how the test goes for the next video, where unlike this one where it was easy to test because it was just copy and paste, it's going to be a bit more complex. All right, so stay tuned for that.